and I mean, KAA has a responsibility to manage all airports. The Minister of Transport has a policy position on negotiating bilateral air agreements. You know that when we go to another country, Turkey, for example, and negotiate agreements, you know that the principle of reciprocity is extremely important. Because if you are giving a chance to an airline of another country to land in your country, they must also give you equivalent or equal rights for you to land in their country. So that is an area that we need to appreciate first. But second, and most important, we should move to answer, why are we in this situation? Why is Kenya Airways finding itself in the situation that it is? It's because of mismanagement of the past. The Project Mawingu, for this parliament is aware, because we probed that issue, Senate and National Assembly. We know what happened in Kenya Airways. There are processes underway, and the president is already seized of that issue, as far as I'm aware, to make sure that we talk about restructuring Kenya Airways in whatever ways to ensure that it's profitable. For example, Mr. Speaker, Kenya Airways is the leading cargo airline. Nairobi is the leading cargo destination in the region. Yet Kenya Airways are only 10% of the share. We should be able to separate Kenya Airways transport in terms of passenger carrying passengers, and separate the cargo one, because that one looks like it will be more profitable, and then it should be able to take up most of this market share of transport in the area. I will also promise you, Honorable Owen, that we will go together and look at the issues in Malindi. Let me tell you this. As a firm believer of devolution, Mr. Chair, I will not work from Nairobi. I will once in a month or more so often, Mr. Speaker, decide that the ministry today is working from Garissa. We sit there, we sort all the problems, the leaders of that area that relate to my ministry. The next week I can go and work from Kisumu, Mr. Speaker. It's Kenya. There are agencies there that are for my ministry. I work from there. I sort out all the issues, whether it's Kisumu Airport, whether it is the Homa Bay, Kendu Bay, the Kisumu Port, or I'm going to roads issues in all those parts of the region. Or I go to Mombasa and work from the port to see what's happening at the port, the roads, and all that. I will make sure, Honorable Owen, that we go and sit down in your county and sort out the issues that you have raised.
Thank you. Can we take another batch of
point of information, Mr. Speaker, if you allow me. I would like the nominee to commit.
I will not allow you. Let's give other members an opportunity.